Okay, so tignan natin yung NBA debut ni Wemby. Sa play na to makikita natin si Wemby nasa weak side. Most probably a help defender pag may nag-roll or may nag-drive. Dito nag-drive si Kyrie and as we can see, grabe yung length and yung defensive coverage ni Wemby na kahit hindi naman necessarily kailangan na mag-help, nag-help pa rin siya kasi andun na rin naman siya and even if mag-kick out si Kyrie, he still has the length to disrupt the pass. Offensively naman para sa first basket niya, we can see na it's a double drag screen. Now after ng second screen, since si Vassell ay isang kilala bilang isang perimeter threat and scorer, naka-hedge dito si Maxi Kleber to delay the action and cover Vassell. Dapat si Derrick Jones nag-stunt ng mas maaga rito para ma-delay yung kick out to Wemby. Pero as we can see here, kahit medyo naka-recover na si Kleber sa play, grabe yung length talaga ni Wemby. And he made the 3-pointer for his first basket. Okay, dito naman, Chicago action para sa Mavericks. Pin down into a handoff. Since si Wemby yung nail helper sa drive, kahit ang lalim ng help niya, he was still able to recover. Kaya nga lang tumalon siya and nice decision from Josh Green para gumamit ng pump fake. Pero since first game ni Wemby, diba, yung discipline naman natututunan niyan along the way. Pero pagbalik naman dito, grabe. Niwala nga halos sa flow ng offense. Medyo naging broken play na and then freelance na to. Slight nudge, slight screen for Wemby, feet squared 3-pointer. Kahit may contest, diba, iba pa rin yung length. Yan, ito naman yung downside pag nag-overcommit sa help. Dito, late na siya naka-recover and alam naman natin si Grant Williams, yan talaga yung specialty of the house. Napansin ko lang na yung unang 5 tira ni Wemby were 3-point attempts. I think that's because the Spurs haven't really run plays for him directly. Puro within the flow of the offense lang yung nangyayari and naturally, lagi siyang naiiwan sa perimeter. So, tinitake niya yung shot kasi kaya niya namang i-shoot. I think the solution here is having a legitimate point guard na kayang mag-distort ng defense with their dribble. Para pag nagkaroon ng mga pick and roll action, pag nagkaroon ng paint touch, makahanap si Wemby inside. This is what I'm saying. Hindi ko sinasabi na si Sohan as a point guard is a bad move. Pero if may natural playmaker sa court, this would have been a bounce pass to Wemby. Sa play naman na to, nakuha ni Wemby yung fourth foul niya dahil sa moving screen. Play design wise though, gusto ko na pistol action to. And si Wemby nagsiset ng back pick na eventually magiging flare screen. Though this game, nag-struggle talaga si Wemby sa fouls. Kaya yung minutes niya mababa. Early in the fourth, like yung pinakaunang defensive possession nila, nakuha niya yung 5th foul niya with an irresponsible swipe at the ball. Pero pagbalik niya naman sa court, senatan kaagad ng spread pick and roll play. Last line ng defense ng Mavs ay si Kyrie. Of course, pag may nagro-roll na 7-4, mahirap nang mapigilan yan especially kapag lob pass. Unless kapag si Jonathan Isaac yung help side. Anyway, next offensive possession, si Wemby nag-ala KD. Dito naman sa transition, early seal, nice step through and one. And another one, cross screen play, high post ISO para kay Wemby, face up, 2 points. Sa fourth quarter, nakascore ng 9 points si Wemby and he finished the game with 15 points, 5 rebounds, and 2 blocks.